The Greenworks 3000 PSI Pressure Washer is equipped with a robust, TruBrushless motor that delivers powerful cleaning performance with 3,000 pounds per square inch and 2 gallons per minute. This pressure washer is certified by the Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association, ensuring verified power and reliability through independent testing. Featuring a heavy-duty cast aluminum axial cam pump, it offers performance that rivals gas-powered models while maintaining the benefits of an electric washer. The innovative JettFlow technology enhances water flow by up to 50%, making it easier to clean higher surfaces and achieve efficient power rinsing. Designed for durability, it includes a rugged metal gun and a 25-foot Uberflex hose that resists kinks, along with multiple spray tips and nozzles for versatile cleaning. The inclusion of a foam cannon adds to its versatility, allowing for effective application of soap when tackling stubborn dirt and grime on various surfaces.